I'm here with Langford, and he's complaining about me not taking videos. Well, taking the video, not sending it to him. So he's reaching down in there because he dropped stuff down the hive.
Just a little bit of pollen sub. This is more of that pollen sub with banana. These bees are really stinging us to death today too.
Yeah, damn banana.
It's 17th of March 2020 with Jay, the Tennessee State Inspector. Just inspecting some hives. He's sitting there hanging on to the frame he just inspected.
You got it?
Got it. We got drone brood.
Got some good drones. Let me grab one of them drones.
Grab one and pop it in your mouth. That's what JP did. I'm going to do that up at the mentorship program this year.
Oh, that's the video I was going to make.
He tucked and he was doing a removal. And this little girl standing there watching him. He just reached over and grabbed the beam and popped it in his mouth. And she about had a fit. I'm like, man, I need to do that at the mentorship yard this year when I got mentorship meetings. But with this corona going around,
oh yeah,
they said, you know, people on the video don't need to know about the bee meetings. But had one aggressive hive. Did you miss him?
No, I dropped one and grabbed the next one. Playing with drones.
Those wings are called handholds. They have handles, folks. Come back, put some more shoot. Well, no, because they're bringing in nectar, so we'll leave them alone. Thanks, sir.
Those two hives have calmed down now.
Yeah.
They were going crazy earlier.
I guess we'll go through this one.
All right. And don't stand in front of the hive like me, because you know.
Well, you missed the good part of the video. And there were billions of them trying to get in.
Yeah. Cool. But as an inspector, most of the time I'm trying to find a good spot to stand where I'm not in the way. And when they have their hives this close together, a lot of times I'm standing in front of the hive, but I don't get stung. I just, as soon as I hear the noise blocking up or it's getting louder, I just move to the side, let them go back in. Like you can tell right now, I'm blocking the entrance because it's getting louder. Looking for any bad stuff?
Oh, Roy Hubbard says he's got his first swarm.
Nice.
He's just right up the valley from me.
Everything looks good here. Let's flip this one around. Alright, good stuff. Looks good. Usually I hold two hands on a frame, but camera work and inspecting usually don't go very well.
We got a nectar float coming out on this one, so these girls are finding some nectar somewhere. Did I mention that all of these hives had banana pollen sub patties put on them about a week ago?
Yeah, you did.
Got it. I got CRS disease. Everybody thinks bananas will make them attack you. you a box of these.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Look at that. Popping it, making all that noise, and maybe had 2 bees get in the air.
Come here, buddy.
You better not be putting them in your pocket and taking them home with you. You know they'll die before you get home.
No, I was gonna look for a treat for lunch.
Come on, hand me the camera and I will let you show everybody how to eat a drone.
Okay.
They say, this is just hearsay because I haven't tried it, that drone brood tastes like English walnut.
No,
I'm not willing to try that.
yeah, I can taste a little bit of honey with it, but seriously, when you get the when you taste the brood, it's got a little bit of taste of honey to it, but it's probably just the jelly at the bottom of the cell.
I don't like the jelly.
No?
When I'm grafting and you get in there and you lick the graft tools
Yeah.
because you roll the larva, to me it's bitter.
Yeah, I don't like roller jelly. Or the bee bread. I don't really like pollen either.
I like the pollen.
I like the propolis.
I like
A lot of
the
people are like, propolis?
Well, one of my mentees last year was a dentist. He just scraped it off, started chewing it. I said, aren't you worried about that pulling your teeth out, pulling fillings out?
That it will.
Well, his reply to me was, if it pulls your filling out, you need to find a new dentist.
Yeah, true. That is true. That or it's time to replace it anyways. Well, that's a drone brood.
Good Lord, this hip top box is heavy. No, it's a drone brooded together. Well,
One hand here. Oops. Political sign. Trying to spin that around so I can grab it again. There we go.
You knocking my political signs down?
Yep.
Like my political views?
I just blew on the frame there so I could get bees out of the way so I could see the larva. Alright, looks good.
Did you blow on them to get them out of the way?
Yeah, I know. You just touch them.
Goodness, that's a no-no.
I don't blow that hard. I don't give a big old huff. Just enough to get them.
Talking about. They tell you can't do that.
Well, if you get in there and start puffing on them, yeah, they'll tell you. The bees will remind you.
They're not happy, but.
Yep.
Go ahead and put that back in here.
Oh, okay.
Let's see, the drone brood was to the back.
Yep. Uh-oh, we went over YouTube length.
Uh-oh.
We're at almost 9 minutes.
Yeah, it can be a longer one since it's a state inspector. People might watch it because I put Tennessee State Inspector on there.
Oh, there you
Y'all too.
go. Yeah. Well, that's if I ever send it to you, right? I'll drop it in a Google Drive and then send you the link and you can download it.
All those folks that are going, you don't drop your comb and stuff on the ground, you're right. What you do is you come back later with a bucket, pick it all up, because this is all drone comb.
Oh yeah. Nice and gooey.
Nope, nothing in it.
Let me get that.
This needs a box big time. Oh, and here's your good item, Phil.
What's that?
It's called a lazy beekeeper. Didn't have the right frame, so they put a medium in.
Yep. I think we've all done that.
Yep.
At one point or another.
At one point or another.
It's more close to my hand.
All right. Put that back on for just a second. I need
Oop.
to find this later. Finish this later. Two more, sir, and we're done.
Alrighty.